Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix if you try to install any game and you will see this error message like an error occurred while installing this game and the disk write error. I will show you guys the 3 effective solution that will definitely fix your problem. So let's get started. So guys, the first solution is you can simply click on the Steam on the top and just go to settings. Now go to the storage settings and click on the three dot option here you are seeing on the top. Now here click on the repair library and now it will start repairing your corrupted files or any missing files on your Steam, and once it's done, now you can simply close it and then you can simply restart your Steam and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed, then just search for the Steam, open as file location, right click on the Steam launcher, go to the properties, go to the compatibility section. Now here you can simply check this box of the run the program as an administrator. After that, just relaunch the Steam and see your problem is fixed or not. And then go to the Steam settings, then go to the downloads. Here you can simply click on the clear cache, then click on the confirm, and then you have to simply log into your Steam again and relaunch the Steam and see your problem is fixed or not. So guys, in my case, my problem is still not fixed. So guys, the last solution I'm going to apply to fix this problem is just uninstalling the Steam from my PC. So guys, I am going to uninstall the Steam from this Revo installer because this Revo installer will completely uninstall the Steam from my PC. If you are going to uninstall the Steam from your Windows uninstaller, then it's not going to delete completely from your PC. Some registries, some key values will remain in your PC. You can also use the Steam its own uninstaller, and you can also use the Revo uninstaller. It is only the 6 MB, so you can simply download it. And guys, here you can see it first give me all the registry items, so I can just simply select it and delete this. And then it will founding for all the leftover files or folders, and these are all the files or folder that it will found that is related to the Steam, and it's completely safe to delete it. Then simply click on the select all and delete this, and simply go to the Steam website and simply download the Steam and just install it. This is very simple and easy process. After that, your problem is fixed definitely. And I hope guys one of the solution worked for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.